This masterclass, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about sourdough baking. I want people to be able to bake good bread at home just by following a few single steps. To make a starter is not difficult. It's very easy, just mixing flour and water and let the time do the job, okay? So I'm going to start with 20-25% of the starter, mother starter. Here we have the starter, the leaven. It's better to call it a leaven, very mature. There's many ways to do the pre-shape, you know. I do the most simplest way. I just, dip it in the flour like this. So I just pull it like we did in the bowl, you know. Just beautiful, really beautiful. I'm really happy to share all my knowledge. Thank you so much.